Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff. The package is finally here. Alright, so here are the carpets. The front two are going to have this metal badge that says HFP. It's not a sticker, it's actually a metal badge right here. And the edges are all stitched in like this. In the back is a material that's going to cling into your original floor carpet, so it's not going to move around. And here is the part number as well. The rear is not going to have the badge. It is going to have the cutout for the locking mechanism goes in here. Same thing with the back, it's going to cling to your carpet, and so it's not going to move around. Now, the front will fit the sedan as well, so both coupe and sedan can use the front. However, for the rear, if you try to install this in a sedan, it won't work because this is too small. The sedan needs to be a little bit larger, and because this is smaller, it won't fit the whole carpet in the back. Now, this carpet is very rare. It never goes on sale. Again, it only comes equipped with a model from the dealership that is the HFP trim. So I'll have the link to where I got this in the video description below, so go check it out. Now, to keep this clean, what you can do is two things. You can actually buy a clear vinyl cover and cut it to the shape of the carpet. Or what you can do is you can get a Scotch Guard and then spray that onto the carpet. That will keep it from getting too dirty and it'll be easier to clean. So I know some people get this just so that if they take it to car meets and things like that, they'll put it in the floor mats, and then if not, they'll just put it in the garage or in the trunk, and they'll use like the WeatherTech mat, or I would recommend using the 3D Maxpider actually. All right, so there you go. Here's how it looks like installed. It gives that red accent to your interior. And in the back, I just put it over the Maxpider for now, just to give you an idea what it looks like. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll have the product link in the description below, so go check it out. I'll purchase it now before they sell out. Again, this is something that the dealership doesn't carry. And so when you see it on sale, especially for the price that it's selling for right now, I will definitely go pick up a set before they sell out.